Hey guys, welcome back to a new video.
This is how we do it. 모든 눈빛 나를 향해 기대하고 있어. Oh, 나만의 스타일로 하나도 놓치지 않아 shine and glow.
So I got everything packed in the truck and ready to go.
완벽한 플레이리스트로 모두 춤추게 해. 완벽한 파티, 완벽한 vibe. Tonight we're gonna shine, let's light up the sky. 모든 게 완벽해, 난 준비됐어. 완벽한 파티, let's go high. Decorations and points sparkling all around. 내가 원하는 대로 party never let me down. 모두가 놀라게 it's time to start the show. 내가 주인공인 이 무대 위로 올라가. Oh, 나만의 스타일로 하나도 놓치지 않아 shine and glow. 음악은 이미 준비됐어 it's my show. 완벽한 플레이리스트로 모두 춤추게 해. 완벽한 파티, 완벽한 vibe. Tonight we're gonna shine, let's light up the sky. 모든 게 완벽해, 난 준비됐어. 완벽한 파티, let's go high. 빛나는 순간, 모두가 기다린 이 순간. 마치 꿈 같은 night, 모두가 원한 party. 우리 함께 춤춰, 완벽한 리듬 속. This is the perfect party, let's make it last forever. 완벽한 party, 완벽한 vibe. Tonight we're gonna shine, let's light up the sky. 모든 게 완벽해, 난 준비됐어. 완벽한 party, let's go high. 완벽한 party, 완벽한 vibe. Tonight we're gonna shine, let's light up the sky. 모든 게 완벽해, 난 준비됐어. 완벽한 party, let's go high.
It's not recording, right? It's not supposed to be recording. Is it recording? I was recording it the whole time. No, I thought it. Or did you really play it?
No, I just looked at it right
Let me
now.
see. How long has it been recording? 30 minutes. Oh shit. Ah. He's doing up close.
Flat down a little bit.
Oh.
Oh, you saw him?
Julie. Oh. It's Alejandro, Mama. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at my nephew's birthday party. As I saw in the morning, I came over and I did the balloon arch, and my sister and the baby were playing. My sister's baby and Juliana were playing earlier. Well, where are you gonna put this here? I'm gonna put it over there. Where the bench is at? Oh, yeah. Yes, mama.
It's not gonna work right away. It's just silent.
Take your time. I didn't see the fan. What do you remember? Mom, I didn't see the fan.
I know she's not screwing.
What's that, mama? Thank you. Look at mama's sticker. Me too. Yes. Going up.
Is it? Is it?
He's laughing. Does she like it? You seen that before? That window. Was that like a stained glass, right? It's beautiful. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. It's beautiful. What is she doing? Hey.
Do you take me to eat or not?
Yeah, I guess I'll take you out to eat.
Where?
Hello! That's it for this vlog, guys. It's been a couple weeks since I recorded that vlog and I never uploaded it because I just didn't have time to create an ending for it. So here we are. It's Portia's weekend, birthday weekend, and I'm now gonna record her birthday vlog. So I'm just gonna create a quick outro for this vlog. Thank y'all so much for watching, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Vlog should be Portia's birthday weekend vlog, which we are celebrating this weekend. So I will see y'all in the next vlog. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye.